Hello everyone, welcome to Test Quill. So let's just start with the first lecture. We will start with eye idioms. So first one is apple of one's eye. So if somebody is apple of somebody's eye, that means that that person is fond of the other person, admire that person quite a lot, adore that person quite a lot. Then that person says that you are apple of my eye, or I am apple of my mother's eye. Okay, so I have these sentences. My sister is the apple of my father's eye. He's so proud of her. My iPhone is the apple of my eye. So this sentence may sound a little bit materialistic, but कहने का मतलब यहाँ पे यह है कि आप इसे किसी like you can use it with a materialistic thing as well, but I feel that it is more suited when you're talking about a person. But अगर आपका कोई materialistic चीज़ या you talk about material thing, then also it's correct. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, next one is beauty is in the eye of the beholder, और या फिर हम कहते हैं कि ब्यूटी लाइज इन द आइज ऑफ द बिहोल्डर. बेसिकली इट मीन्स दैट जो ब्यूटी है किसी भी चीज़ की या किसी भी पर्सन की, दैट टोटली लाइज इन आवर आई. लाइक हम किसी चीज़ को कैसे देखते हैं, कैसे परसीव करते हैं, एंड क्या चीज़ हमारे लिए इट्स ब्यूटिफुल, मे बी फॉर सम अदर पर्सन इट्स नॉट. कि आप किसी चीज़ को कैसे देखते हो, दैट डिफाइंस द ब्यूटी. ओके, सो मूविंग ऑन. The sentences are, you may not like my new jacket, but beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Next one, my father loves the beach, but I find it terrible, but beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So this means that जो beauty है वो देखने वाले की नज़र में है. Okay, next one is bird's eye view. Now what does it mean, bird's eye view? जैसे जो bird होता है वो fly करता है, it flies at height, एंड वहाँ से व्हेन द बर्ड लुक्स डाउन तो उसको पूरा जो अच्छे से है ओवरऑल एक व्यू नज़र आता है लैंड का नीचे, राइट. सो दैट इज़ अ बर्ड्स आई व्यू. लाइक व्हेन यू, मतलब ऊपर से जब आपको सब कुछ नज़र आए, एंड व्हेन यू नो, लाइक यू कैन वॉच द बिगर पिक्चर, राइट. किसी भी चीज़ का, इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि आप कहीं हाइट पे खड़े हो एंड यू आर लुकिंग डाउन एंड यू आर एबल टू सी मोस्ट ऑफ द एरिया, बट किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में ये हो सकता है जब आपको किसी चीज़ के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से यू हैव द नॉलेज एंड यू नो ओवरऑल थिंग्स अबाउट किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में, देन वी कैन से दैट यू हैव बर्ड्स आई व्यू. ओके, सो हेयर लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द सेंटेंसेस. हिज बर्ड्स आई व्यू ऑफ द बिजनेस विल हेल्प अस बीट आवर कॉम्पिटिटर्स. दैट मीन्स दैट द अदर पर्सन, he has vast knowledge about the business, right, and he has so much knowledge that will help us beat our competitors. Now second one, I bet the top of the Eiffel Tower has a wonderful bird's eye view of Paris. So this means that Eiffel Tower क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा height पे है, and when you reach at the top and when you will look down, you will have that overview of the city. So that's gonna be like really amazing. So this is what is said in this sentence. Moving on, next one is eagle eye. Now what does this mean, eagle eye? जैसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है ना बाज की नज़र, तो it's the same thing, because eagle वो ऊपर से fly कर रहा होता है एंड वो अपनी prey को नीचे एकदम से देख लेता है and just you know go and grab that his prey in his beak and just fly away. दैट इज़ लाइक कि जो ईगल है उसकी नज़र जो है वो बहुत तेज़ है. सो दैट इज़ द ईगल आई. अब हम इसे कैसे यूज़ करते हैं? शो दीज रिपोर्ट्स टू द सीनियर डॉक्टर, ही हैज़ एन ईगल आई एंड विल डायग्नोज द डिजीज़ क्विकली. दैट मीन्स दैट द अदर पर्सन, दैट पर्सन इज़ वेरी मच एक्सपीरियंस्ड, उसे बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है या उसको बहुत ज़्यादा डीप नॉलेज है किसी चीज़ के बारे में. So there you can use this. Okay, next sentence is that thankfully Tara's eagle eye saw the discounted sweatshirt I was looking for. Okay, next one is catch someone's eyes. Now what does this mean, catch someone's eyes? Like if something caught your eyes, that means that thing attracted you, or it just grabbed your attention. So इसे हम sentences में कैसे use करते हैं? जैसे कि नंबर वन, while we were driving down the road, a small shop selling beautiful potteries caught my eye. राइट, अब आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा कि आपको वो बहुत ही सुंदर एक like pots की shop दिखी and they were selling the potteries, so you will be like, wow, I want to buy it. So it caught your eyes, it caught your attention, right? Then you say that caught my eyes or caught someone's eye. The sofa at a friend's house had caught my eye. I wanted something like that for myself. Sentences, cry one's eye out. So this is quite easy to guess that cry one's eye out. इसका मतलब है जब कोई बहुत ज़्यादा they are sad and they're crying out of sadness and they are इतने ज़्यादा वो sad हैं कि like you know when you can get sad if you lose somebody in your life. इतना सैड लाइक इट्स द अटमोस्ट सैडनेस एंड बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी कोई हो तो दैट इज़ क्राई वंस आई आउट या फिर क्राई वंस हार्ट आउट भी होता है. सो बोथ कैन बी यूज्ड. ओके, सेंटेंस है शी इज़ क्राइंग हर आइज आउट. आई वॉन्डर व्हाट हैपेंड. सेकेंड वन, एवरी टाइम आई वॉच अ सैड इमोशनल मूवी आई क्राई माई हार्ट आउट. Sarah is crying her eyes out because she failed her exam. Okay. Next one, feast one's eye on something. Feast one's eye on something means कि आप you look at something and it brings you so much enjoyment and you feel happy. फीस्ट होता है खाना खाना या लाइक हम फीस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं ना, जैसे कि खाना ऑर्गेनाइज किया, खाना खाएंगे सब लोग आके, तो वैसे ही इट्स फीस्ट one's eye. That means आपकी eyes को you feel so in like so much good by looking at something that it's just like giving food to your eyes. Okay, the sentences, I got my report card today. Feast your eyes on all those A's. So a person is saying to the other person that look at my report card, देखो, and बस A's पे ध्यान देना या A's को देख के आप खुश होना, क्योंकि when you get A means like a good grade, तो फिर you will feel happy and it will bring you enjoyment. So next one, this is best hotel in Shimla. From your room you can feast your eyes on the city and the beauty of Himalayan mountains. आप window से room के बाहर देखोगे, you will see a lot of beautiful mountains and that will be like a feast for your eyes. Next one, get a black eye. So you must have seen all those Bollywood movies जहाँ पे you know villain when heroes को मारता है तो they get big black eyes, एकदम black eyes हो जाती हैं just like a panda. That means आपने अपनी eye को injure कर लिया है या फिर चोट लगी है या किसी ने मारा है. Let me just use it in the sentences. He got a pretty black eye after the bully punched him in the face. Now bully means gunda kind of person, that is bully. So he got a pretty, it's pretty is not beautiful here, pretty means kafi, pretty bad black eye after the bully punched him in the face. I heard Tina's wearing sunglasses because she's got a black eye. अब टीना को लग गई है आँख पे, so she's wearing sunglasses to hide that. Okay, this politician really got a black eye after his involvement in corruption case came out in public. Now here it means that the politician, usko here it's not about eye injury. That means कि now he is exposed because उसका involvement corruption case में बाहर आ गया and now this has brought him some insult or some like उसकी थोड़ी बेइज्जती हो गई क्योंकि सबको पता चल गया, तो that is also getting a black eye. Okay, next one is get stars in one's eye. So get stars in one's eye means when you are hopeful specifically about future, you're happy about something and you're very hopeful, you are thinking that you know good is gonna happen to you, then you get stars in your eyes. Okay, now let me just use it in the sentence. When she got admission in the best medical college, she had stars in her eyes. That means that she's hopeful for her future, about her career, so that's why she got stars in her eyes. Ever since Shreya got the lead role in the high school play, she's got stars in her eyes. That means she's very happy and she is feeling good about that because she has got a good role in the play. Maybe she's thinking about, you know, getting into Bollywood and being an actress and all that. So yeah, so she got stars in her eyes. So that was it for today, and this was part 1 of the idioms. So do watch part 2 and like this video and share it around with your friends, those who are interested in learning English. And also you can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you're getting notified every time we are coming up with new videos. And I'll see you soon in another video. Bye bye.